On my channel, there's reviews and how to use this pole saw. It's electric. This chainsaw. But I needed something else. I needed something that was battery operated, somewhere between a hedge trimmer and a regular chainsaw or even the pole saw. And that's where I found this. 21 volts, battery operated chainsaw. This particular one, the reason why I got it is it has a case, so it's self-contained like that. Came with some safety glasses, some gloves, although I use leather gloves when I do anything with chainsaws, keep your skin from being cut up, but I think leather, you even have a slight chance of bouncing the chainsaw off, or it's just going to be a little safer for you than these gloves that might snag. Comes with a little kit with some oil, screwdriver to help you put it together, brush, and an extra 2 chains, maybe 1. Charger for the batteries, get 2 batteries, and this, I didn't even see that till now. This is a little hook here that's so you can slide it on your belt. And an instruction manual. One of the things I really like about it is that you got an tensioner knob because it does have a tendency to get loose. You have a little cover here so that if for some reason you're coming over the top, you're not going to get cut. That doesn't keep you safe from here, but this grip does. Safety button you have to push before you enable the trigger. And it doesn't stay on. For some reason you lose your grip on it, it's just going to automatically go off. I've used it for about a year now and I'm pretty happy with it. The thing about the pole saw that I like and dislike is that trying to do a horizontal cut with a pole saw, very challenging, especially when you're up at any kind of angle. You're just not going to get it. So I've got an idea of making this into a pole saw, but mounting it somehow to a pole so that it can able to cut branches that way. Future videos, stay tuned. Still trying to figure out how to make that safe. That's nice and tight. Not going to go anywhere, and it would just clip on your belt like this. And you're fairly safe, although you might snag something on this side. You're not likely to snag something on that side. Several places in the yard that I want to use this to demonstrate what it can do. I've got a tree I'm going to take down, a dead tree that I'm going to finish off, and some fairly heavy bushes that I need to cut through in order to get to another project that I'm working on. Here's a good example of where the sweet spot is for this saw. I've got a tree here I've got to take down. Unfortunately, it hasn't produced any fruit and it's just kind of not doing so well. Weather was mean to it for the last couple of years and it's leaning over, so it's time to take it out with the saw. I'm predominantly left-handed with your index finger, and then pulling it goes back in place as soon as you let off the trigger. Or for a right-handed person, just push it with your thumb and put it in like this. And you can see I'm wearing leather gloves. So let's just see how this thing does. Okay. All right, well, make sure your chain is tight, and I'll try it with the left hand here. I'm gonna take down a big tree. I wouldn't use this for anything bigger than maybe 3 inches. It's a 6-inch chainsaw, and you can see that I was getting a little kickback. You gotta kind of watch yourself around other branches. Take this one out here, and then we'll go all the way down on the trunk. About that thickness is the max on a saw like this, 3 to 4 inches. You want an inch or so clearance on either side in order to control the saw. Another sweet spot for a tool like this, besides branches in a tree or smaller trees, is large bushes where a hedge trimmer just can't do the job. This can surgically go in and get it done for you. One battery seems to last for 2 3-inch, 4-inch trees. I've got halfway through this bush that's kind of like another tree, and I've got to put another battery in. The batteries on this are good because it has a little battery indicator, and there's 4 lines, so this is a fully charged battery, and we're going to finish the job. If you get something like this, you really need a second battery. All I need to do is cut a couple more branches off, and our work with this tool is done for today. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in evaluations of all sorts of home gear, maintenance gear, technology of all kinds, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what small saw or technology you're gonna see.